Well, hello. Let's make another card together. Hi, everyone. It's Monica Morgan, and today I'm going to be making this little card design that I came up with a couple of days ago. So it's kind of a rainbow design with 4 different colors from the Tim Holtz Distress Inks line of inks. And I'm bringing them in from the corner, each color all the way to the center, and then I also met them at the sides. I then cut that panel with one of my dies, and that was like about a 3x3, 4x4 fancy frame shape. Because I'm going to put a sentiment in the center, I'm using my stamp positioning tool. And I'm lining up this stamp that came with the Simon Says stamp February 2019 card kit of the month. Lots of cool stuff in that kit. And I'll be bringing you some cards that I made from that shortly, but I wanted to show you this card. So I'm doing the same thing on the stamp that I did on the panel, a different color in each corner, and let's see what happens. Yes, isn't that great? Oh my God, that just came out so pretty. I'm super proud of myself there. So I decided to use that frame, that window frame, as a stencil. And I put the opposite color in the opposite corner. So if the yellow is in the bottom left, I put it in the top right. And if the pink is in the top left, I put it in the bottom right. I ended up blending all of the corners and bringing those all the way to the inside as well. And it did take a little bit of time, but it was worth it. It looks really pretty. So now I'm just trying to figure out how am I going to lay this out. And I decided to make a square frame with that shape in the center. And then I changed my mind on that, and I decided to just use the ends. So I ended up not even using the frame part, but I did use the ends, and I dug in my stash all these flowers that I have. I got those at Michael's a couple of years ago, and I found some silver leaves in my stash that I've had forever, and I put those on with some glue dots and some regular glue for my flowers, and I just love how this card came out. It's so pretty. I think I'm expressing that I want spring to come. It's been cold here in Las Vegas. It's not usually cold. So I do sell my cards, and I package them like this. I have one of those plastic sleeves from clear bags, and then I slip in the card and I slip in the envelope so you can see that it's an envelope when it's folded, and you look at the back. And it protects it, and it allows me to store it safe and not worry about it getting all smudged up when people look at it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm pretty new, so if you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing lots more to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.